I'm Kim.
I'm Hayden.
We're 6260 Ohana, California, and today we're going to do a mystery unbagging of the Star Tours attraction Wishables. And of course, we're going to play our kind of fun challenge bag to see if we're correct by squeezing the bags. And anyways, we're also going to show you a few other Wishables that we picked up first. Do you want to show the first one?
Minnie Mouse.
Okay, and she was the $9.99 before our pass holder discount, which she came down to $7.99. And we got, you can't have Minnie without Mickey. All right, and we got Genie.
And last but not least, R2-D2.
Yeah, you can't have a Star Tours Wishables without R2-D2. All right, so we're each gonna open up 2 bags, and in theory, we should get all of the collection. We met a cast member, Beth, at Magic Kingdom's Emporium store, and she thought we had all of them by squeezing them. So let's see if we're right. Actually, wants to see if we're right too. We're gonna shout out Beth, the cast member at the Emporium, for this video as well. All right, you go first. Who do you, oh. All right, before that. So these are the different characters that you can get. And we are told that the ride vehicle is 2 different colors, so there's kind of a mystery, like, special add-on one.
Okay.
So what do you think you have if you squeeze to figure it out?
I feel like I have the Stormtrooper.
Okay, let's see if you're right.
Wonk, wonk.
Okay, who's that? You've got a
X2.
RX-24. Okay, who do I think I have? I'm gonna say I have a C-3PO.
Wrong.
Oh, that could have been any more wrong. I have the Star Speeder 3000.
On the special one.
I don't know if this, because this one's, oh, it is a special one because it's gray, and the one on the package shows the orange. So, okay, cool. We got the hard to get one. All right, what do you think you got?
Stormtrooper. If not Stormtrooper, I don't know what it is.
This collection was one of the hardest that we've ever tried. Uh-oh. Oh no, we got multiples. Okay, this definitely has a head.
Same with these. These had a head.
Okay, I don't feel anything like that. I'm a little worried that we might have another RX-24. I got one right. Okay. Well, who do you think you had? Shut your eyes. Shut your eyes.
Can I take it out?
No, that's easy. Who do you think you got? Dun.
It has an arm.
It has an arm. Okay, don't look. Don't look. No, don't put your hand inside. That's cheating.
It's not chubby, so it's C-3PO.
Well, he saw it. It's kind of hard to see the gold.
I did see it.
Okay. This is really different. I think I might have a Stormtrooper. If not, we're tied. Oh, we got them all. Mom wins this challenge. Hayden won the last one, but I won this challenge.
We
tied. Or did I win?
The last one, I dominated you.
Yes, he did win.
I won.
So in our challenges, Hayden and I are now tied. Anyways, we've got these cuties. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe.
And follow along with our Ohana.
Anyways, we'll keep doing these wishable games and our challenges, and we'll keep track of who's got the better guessing luck. Hayden and I are now tied, so that's exciting. All right, so now it's time for us to say goodbye and find your magic. Bye, everyone.